and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to understand how you can automatically add your Instagram lead as a new contact in your Privyr CRM. So here I'm running some Instagram lead ads to generate new leads for my business, and my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my lead ad, then instantly that lead should be created as a new contact inside my Privyr account so that my team can follow up with my lead further and we do not miss the lead. So now here on my screen you can see a connection that I've already built between these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here, before we talk about this entire process step by step, let me show you that how actually this automation works for my own business. So for that we are going to generate a new lead inside my Instagram lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is a lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I've selected my page, product and the form. So this is my lead form, and here I've also pre-filled some details such as the first name, last name, email and the phone number. So we're going to click on this continue and then submit. And you can see we have successfully made a form submission. That means we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Instagram lead ad. So now let's go and check our Privyr account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new client with the name, and these are the details over here. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this connection by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here, before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button, and then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box has appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says add Instagram leads to Privyr automatically, and then here it is asking us to select the folder. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here this workflow window you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you all know that I am receiving new leads through Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Instagram lead ads and my payment as new lead instant. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Instagram lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Then I'm going to click on this continue. and then we're going to click on this continue as well. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So here I've selected my Facebook account because here I've already connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page, and you can see this is my Facebook page with the name Digital Dynamic. So that's why I've selected my Facebook account over here as well. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my both accounts in the same browser. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your accounts in the same browser, or else if you're building a new connection, it is going to ask for your account credentials first. Alright, let's move forward. Then it is asking for the page and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select the same over here, and for the lead gen form, let me take you to Meta Business Suite. So this is my Meta Business Suite, and from here we are going to click on this All Tools, and under All Tools we are going to select Instant Forms. Now here under this Instant Forms, you can see the lead ads form that I've already created with different names. So in this case, I'm going to select my form as New Lead Ads Form. You can select it as per your requirement. Alright, so we're going to select the similar form over here from the drop down. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the Save and Send Test Request. But here before clicking on the Save and Send Test Request, I'm going to turn on the Simple Response button in order to receive this response in a simple and organized format. But if you want to receive the response in advance, that means in an array format, then you can simply turn it off. Alright, so I'm going to click on the Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead inside our Instagram lead ad once again. So for that, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool by Meta once again. And here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button. And it says your lead has been deleted. So now I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Alright, so now after refreshing the window, we are going to select our page once again, that is Digital Dynamics, and our product as lead retrieval, and our form as new lead ads form. Alright, then we are going to click on this preview form. So this is our lead form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as Smart, last name as User, email as smart@pabblytunes.com. And here for the phone number, we are going to add a random phone number. Then we are going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our lead ad. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received all the details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead, then instantly I want to add this lead as a new client in my Privyr CRM. So for that, we are going to add action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Privyr and my app event as create client. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking us for the authentication token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in the application, and from here we are going to click on this integrations option, and under integrations we are going to select Pabbly Connect. Here we're going to open it, and here you can see this is the token. So we're going to copy it, and then we're going to add it over here. After that, we're going to click on the save, and you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to add the name and some other details. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, I'm going to map the first name first, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Here for the lead source, I'm going to enter it manually, that is Instagram lead. Alright, because it is going to remain same for all the leads. Then here for the email, I'm going to map my lead's email address. Here we're going to map the phone number, and here these keys are not required ones, so we're going to leave it blank. Now after entering all the required details, we are going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new client inside our Privyr CRM. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to move towards clients, and here you can see we have successfully created a new client with the details. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Instagram lead ad and action as Privyr, so that whenever we're going to receive a new lead through a lead ad, then instantly that lead should be created as a new client in our Privyr CRM. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add Instagram leads to Privyr automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.